Well, this lovely piece of antique booths, Silicon China, is a design called Parrot, made in two variations, well, three variations really to be precise. This one dates from, we know, between 1917 and 1922, and we'll come to that in a minute. You can tell that by the China marks. Parrot was made in three variations. It's a blue and white transfer printed design, basically, that's then hand decorated. So all the additional colour beyond the blue is hand applied by the booth decorators. This is the more common of the versions, which is the green parrot version. They also made a yellow parrot version with slightly different floral infill colours as well. And then there are a few of the plain blue and white transfer designs with no colour applied. Almost universally have either a dark brown or a beigey brown rim border design, which is so characteristic of booths. Let's show you the China marks on this because it's quite interesting to be able to date this. Here we go. Lovely booths, crown marks, Silicon China, and the giveaway here on the dating process is the England element here. In 1922 they moved to a made in England stamp, so it changed at that time date. So this one, we know production of Parrot only started in 1917, so it has to be in the period 17 to 22. There is some fine glaze crazing with a little bit of very, very faint staining, so typical and characteristic of booths. There is also just one little area where the rim border has been just slightly nicked there. It's just palpable, but otherwise in very fine condition. Some lovely inclusions in the glaze here, as you can see that reflection, all those inclusions, little bubbles in the glaze when it was made. An absolutely beautiful thing, incredibly rare to find. Full sets, last full set, the dinner set that went through on this, we just did the research on this, it came through on a Christie's auction, made £4,500 for a very fine and quite extensive large part dinner set from the same date period. So nice china, collectible china, booths, antique, green parrot, 1917 to 1922, a 9-inch beige rimmed dessert plate. Thanks for watching.